Reyes Yalin 10-ball Open Championship. Dito po sa Pacman's Q Club along Shaw Boulevard. The building is World match in hand right now. It's AJ Albert James Manas, the young gun, up against Resty Labastida Teteng Marilao. Yan po ang kanyang bansag, no? So from Bulacan, and Mr. AJ Manas, no, one of the younger one of the youngest po players that participated here in this event dito po sa ating Efren Bata Reyes pa, no? Apollo Miranda and Mr. Charles Ladiana, no? Yan yung mga younger generation na kasali, like nasa teens pa lang sila, at alam ko 12 anyos pa lang, no? Si Mr. Apollo Miranda, but AJ Manas, I think he's already about 18 years old, parang ganyan, no? Gotta know that. Na talagang pambato na to, no, when it comes to the international scene, Mr. AJ Manas. So anyway, he gets himself ball in hand after a safety he played. That was against Resty Labastida, and so right now there's just a bit of traffic here going from the 5 to the 6, so he's gonna have to be careful. While he's playing the window that's between the 8 and the 10, and he's got it. Ayan, sabihin ko, no, I mean, I believe he's still a student, so very good, no? May star ka sa akin, Mr. AJ Manas. Sambo goes in. That is rack number 1, of which will be going to mga pool athletes dito sa Pilipinas, sa mga bata, mga parating, mga retired na, and yung mga current na mga pool players, matutulungan po. And if you want them signed by the GOAT himself, the magician, lagi naman po siya nandito sa Pacman's Q Club. Again, we are located at the Worldwide Corporate Center along Shaw. That was Resty Labastida there. He tried to make that one ball and play shape para dyan sa blue 2, pero hindi pumasok ang uno. Well, AJ, he's gonna kick. Oh wow. Pretty much that is working in AJ's favor. Makikita po natin, no? Looks like he has used the 8 ball. Di ko sigurado, no? I don't think he made a call, but for sure, AJ Manas had good plans, which resulted in a good outcome, and that's another foul. Syempre, alam na natin what is coming up here. Mabilis din na player to, si Mr. AJ Manas, and muli, no, matutunghayan natin ang kanyang skill and talent sa pag-ubos. He decides to take that 4 ball that would be to the side, and he's left himself maybe a bit of an angle. Pipigilan pa niya ang pamato na yan, no, for the 5, and here has to be the problem. kakapigil ni Mr. AJ Manas. He has landed on the wrong side of the 5. And obviously the 6 ball being here down table, makikita ninyo the green ball is just close to the corner pocket na nandyan, no? Now he has repositioned the 8 and the 9, so that's a different story for now. Basic lang for Mr. AJ Manas, cutting in those shots kahit na medyo long shot siya, no? Para sa kanya, it doesn't exactly poses a problem for him. And I have to say, this kid is oozing with confidence. Mr. Yung araw na babalik bukas, which would be the final day, siguradong guaranteed na po sila ng 10,000 pesos. So that was Wednesday and Thursday. We had groups A, B, C, and D na naglaban-laban dito sa Pacman's Q Club. Eventually, 16 players qualified for the last 32. That was 2 days ago. And tonight, magkakaroon po tayo ng 16 other players coming from the losers bracket. So again, just to make clear sa mga viewers natin, this is a losers bracket matchup. So AJ Manas, Reste La Bastida had their matches. That was a couple of days ago, and natalo sila, pero today it's gonna be their last chance. Q power with this guy, this kid. Should I call him a kid? Binata na to, no? Hindi na bata to. Malapit na maging mama to si Mr. AJ Manas. I think he has a good feel of this table, really. Makikita po natin, no? The way the pace that he is going at is pretty evident na hindi po siya masyado nag-a-adjust sa feel. Got out of line a number of times, probably including this one, pero well, he has called the corner pocket, Mr. AJ Manas. Ilalaban po niya to, no? And the risk there is that if this doesn't go in, big chance that Mr. Resty comes back. Now that is, if it doesn't go in, diba? Wag naman tayo negative, sabi sa akin ng bola. So anyway, that was a great shot from AJ. That's 3-0 in favor of Mr. Manas dito. And again, dito po sa ating Efren Batarias Yalin 10-Ball Open Championship, we are playing on a Yalin Hacker Ghost table branded as EBR dito po sa bilyaran ng Pacman's Q Club. So he came up dry. Of course, Mr. Resty here, he is not trailing too much, but definitely kailangan niyang makasimula na, no? Makahabol ng konti. Mr. Resty Labastida is finally getting a better chance. As you can see here, he is currently on the 7 ball. Somehow managed to figure out the secret of getting a chance against Mr. AJ Manas. For many viewers out there, not to be taken lightly, Mr. Resty. Napakatibay at napakagaling din na player nito. Especially in his home court sa Marilao, Bulacan. There you go. Resty Labastida finally draws open his own account. Of course, that is Mr. Resty Labastida coming up with a good break. Pumasok po ang kanyang side ball. That is the one. It's not easy, but this should do for now. Okay, instead of going offensively, well, that's a legal shot. Anyway, pasalamatan natin ang mga tao nasa likod nitong napakagandang event na to. Efren Bata Reyes Yalin 10 Ball Open Championships. Of course, thank you to the GOAT of Billiards, Efren Bata Reyes. Siyempre pumayag po siya at sila po mga nagsimula nito, itong event na to dito. Along with pool hall owners, ayan na nga si Efren din yan, and si Manny Pacquiao dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Pacman's Q Club. And of course, we would like to acknowledge the CEO of Pacman's Q Club. That is no other than Marvelous Marlon Manalo, si Cap Marlon Manalo. Maraming salamat po. And syempre naman dito sa pagpapatakbo, the organizers who are currently working very hard to make sure that the flow of the event is as it should be. That is going to be Makati Pool Players Association. Maraming salamat, headed by President Mia Domingo, ayan, and the other board of directors, Mr. Patrick Clavel, Mr. Arvin Arceo, ayan. Of course, another part of the committee, we have Mr. Mario Aquino, Cheward Bonode, Dart Bonode, sila Erickson Del Villar. Of course, head referee or yung ating pinaka pagdating sa games, that is the games committee, we have Mr. Alan Soliman. Maraming salamat po, yung suporta at yung trabaho na ibinibigay po nila dito is the very reason kung bakit maganda ang takbo ng tournament. And of course, dito po sa live stream, magpapasalamat naman tayo sa ating production committee. If you're seeing a really nice live stream, it means that the people behind the scenes dito po sa ating live stream are also doing their job. Doing their best to provide to you really nice content of professional pool matches na mga idolo po nating mga bilyarista dito sa Pilipinas. And of course, more to come kasi buong gabi, buong araw, buong hapon, hanggang gabi, may mga laban na magaganap po dito. So you can always check out the Pacman's Q Club Facebook page for updates, mga posts, mga interviews, videos, merchandise. You can chat them as well for inquiries. Also may chat yung EBR, yung Efren Bata Reyes Facebook page. Nice play coming from Resty Labastida. Inubos na po, no? There you go. Teteng Marilao draws closer to the score of that of AJ Manas. Meron na po siyang 2 points. Number 6 dito. Of course, Resty Labastida now has 2 points and he has the break. If he comes up with another good break and an open layout, possibly he can draw even against Mr. AJ Manas. Well, that's a good break. Kita naman, no? May nahulog. And to make things really nice here for Mr. Resty, the 1 ball is open and probably another safety may be warranted. Just like that, ginamit na naman muli ni Mr. Resty Labastida yung pinakamalapit na object are pretty high as evident dun sa last 2 ranks. Syempre dito sa layout na to, no? It's pretty clear na ito na naman tayo, no? There is pretty good chance na yun na nga ang mangyayari. Well, it's pretty clear right now, tulad na sinabi ko several moments ago, Mr. Resty Labastida, after he came up with a good break, coming up with a really good safety, on which AJ Manas just failed to make contact kasi hindi naman talaga ganun kadali, no? Nakikita na natin, no? Mr. Labastida is actually getting really good chances para ubusin yung natitirang mga bola dito sa mesa. Ayan. He was slightly out of line there on the 7, but he just let his pocketing abilities and his talent, his skill, do the job. And of course, these last 2 balls, ito na nga, we're gonna be having a really tight matchup. He's going for his Q extension and that is allowed dito po sa ating tournament. Q extensions, jump shots, pwede po yan. Easy 10 ball now for Mr. Resty Labastida. Teteng Marilao. 3 all for 1 miss you die. That is pretty much expected. It's all about just grabbing those chances kapag nagkaroon sila mamayang konti. But thus far, the break of Mr. Resty Labastida has been working nicely. Ayan na nga. So I say thus far. But this time comes up. Of course, if you're a player, manlalaro ka rin, no? What's perplexing, ang nakakabigla dyan, makakatira ka nga, pero hindi ka naman maka-run out because the lay of the balls don't permit you to run balls. We're still on the one ball, and ito lang masasabi ko, no, guys. The balls, most of them are found on the lower part of the lower half of the table. Kung tutusin, mukhang one pocket yung laro dito eh. Ayan, no. Parang, if you know one pocket, each player is assigned a pocket kung saan shoot sila. So, puwera sa 8, no? Puwera sa 8. Maybe the 8 may be taken on the opposite or maybe the side pockets or the opposite corners. But for the most of the balls na nakikita natin nakalatag dyan, it seems like they're gonna have to play it in the closest corner pockets. Just like this. Aba, maganda. Maganda ang pagkakatira dito ni Mr. Resty Labastida. You slide that cue ball, hold it for position on the pink 4. Well, the importance of the opening shot that he took, the one ball, and getting shape for that too, would be the turning point or the determining factor of him winning this rack. There has to be a possibility of him probably breaking up that cluster. If break up niya yung cluster dito, we will see this from this camera angle. Wow, nicely done. Ayan, so kitang-kita na natin how Mr. Labastida has addressed the issue, thereby creating a path for that 6 to be pocketed dito po sa corner pocket. Wow. Teka lang, no? Mr. Labastida binagsakan ng 8. At dahil doon, it looks like a bit of a bad roll coming from Mr. Resty Labastida. We all expected him to probably get advantage of this rack. But in this case, it's gonna be AJ Manas capitalizing on that wow of an error. Wow. Grabe. Talaga naman, no? When we all thought na parang kay Mr. Labastida na dapat ang kanyang 4th point, mauuna na siya, 4 straight racks, all of a sudden, si AJ Manas na ang tumirada. Magandang hapon muli no sa ating mga viewers dito sa Facebook on Pacman's Q Club page. We are featuring the Efren Bata Reyes Allen 10-Ball Open Championship. And again, Pacman's Q Club is located along Shaw Boulevard dito po sa may Worldwide Corporate Center along Shaw Boulevard here in Mandaluyong City. If it's your first time to tune in, the match is no other than Albert James Manas. AJ Manas up against Resty Labastida. Teteng Marilao. A very quick and fast-paced player, that is AJ Manas. He won the last rack coming from an error of Mr. Labastida, and right now, ooh, another error. Galing, no? When I say the word error, may error na nangyayari. Then again, that was a really great shot there. Mr. Labastida, no? Pigil na pigil ang pagkakatira dun sa size, and he has landed this perfect here for the Brown 7. Great shot make. After 8 racks of play, we are even at 4 apiece between AJ Manas and Resty Labastida. Both players are playing high quality pool. Of course, several or a couple of errors have put them at this point, pero nonetheless, napakaganda pa rin ng kanilang ipinapakita dito, no? Probably in the last rack, a little too quick on his draw. Mr. AJ Manas missed that shot that was on, I think that was 6 ball. Okay, that is another rack in favor of Mr. AJ Manas after Resty Labastida's break. Tama, no? He won the 8th rack. The 9th rack goes to Mr. AJ Manas. And again, you are watching. This is the Efren Bata Reyes Yalin 10 Ball Open Championship live here at Pacman's Q Club, located at the Worldwide Corporate Center along Shaw Boulevard, Mandaluyong City. Looks like he is faced with a probable kick shot. Oh, okay. Kita naman pala, no? Dos. He was taking his time, probably was just recomposing himself. Of course, he came up with an error there. Yung sinablay niyang 8, which eventually led to a 2-game swing in favor of his opponent. That is AJ Manas. Siyempre, medyo bumibuelo muli si Mr. Resty Labastida because he wants to make sure of things this time. Ayaw naman niyang masayang yung mga pagkakataon, no? Na nakakakuha siya ng tira at hindi niya nako-convert sa ilang racks won. Good thing about that, he has developed the 9, even making it even more easier. Gawa ng tinamaan niya ng 4 yan. Bumubuka pa, no, ng konti. Probably a 1-2 rail draw. Doesn't want to be overshooting this or undershooting this. Medyo crucial, no? No problem there. Ayan. Perfect for Mr. Resty Labastida. Two balls left here, Mr. Resty Labastida. This is pretty easy for him. 9 and 10. And with this, pocketing of the 10, it's going to be 5 apiece. 5 apiece here for players AJ Manas and Resty Labastida. Welcome back once again. Nandito po tayo sa Pacman's Q Club featuring the Efren Bata Reyes Yalin 10 Ball Open Championships. Thanks to our major sponsor Yalin. And right now you are watching this match. The match here is on a Yalin Hacker Ghost table. Branded as EBR. May pirma po ni Efren Bata Reyes yan. So we have Mr. Albert James, AJ Manas up against Resty Labastida. That is Teteng Marilao. The score, as you may all see, is tied at 5 apiece. It is now a race to 4 dito po sa laban na to. And of course, just to inform you guys, this is a losers bracket match. So, player na matatalo dito will be sent home. Yun lang, no? Talo na. J1 and J2, yung mga laban na naganap. That was winners bracket matchups. Yung mga nanalo, that was day 1 and day 2 from groups A, B, C, and D, have filled the slots para dun sa last 32. The 16 slots nakuha na nila kahapon, no? So today, another 16 slots for the last 32. Bubuuhin natin coming from the losers bracket. Well, that was risk there for Mr. Resty Labastida. Could have been his second look here para sa 4. But he comes up with a great shot there. A swerve, kick shot. Napaghiwalay naman niya yung mga bola. This is gonna be a safety battle of sorts para sa rack na to. Paraan ng mga players natin. At yun na nga, no, nagawa ng paraan. That was something for applause para kay Mr. Resty Labastida. Nagawa niyang, teka lang, kita ba yan ni AJ? Naku, kita yata, no? Minsan ay, good shot. Yun lang, no? Kita pala ni Mr. AJ Manas at sobrang nipis pa pala ng kanyang pagkakatira doon sa 4. Or baka hindi naman na kinailangan. So that was good. The spin failed to grab off the rail, and now yun yung iniingatan niya, no? Yun yung iniwasan niya. But of course, given the conditions of how the table plays, sometimes medyo nagbabago yan. Depende sa dami ng tao na nanonood dito sa arena, no? Dito sa ating stream table, ayan na nga, no? Hindi ganun ka-consistent yung klima, no? Yung climate sa lugar na to, because as you would expect, there are a number of audiences coming and going na makikita mo, no, that the room temperature based on our air conditioner changes. Minsan yun nga, kumakapit yung pectus, minsan umi-slide. But of course, the level of skill that these players are manifesting or showing here dito sa ating mesa, just pero once in a while nabubulaga din naman sila na para bang hindi pala ganun kadali. Totoo yun, ha? So anyway, Mr. AJ Manas is gonna draw another point from this rack. He will lead by 6-5 in favor of AJ Manas. Nice center ball hit, and AJ Manas is gonna get an opportunity here dito sa 1 tambola. And you know what, guys, panoorin na lang natin ang pamamaraan ni Mr. AJ Manas. Ubos na to, no? Bukas na bukas na. At sabi ko nga, for Mr. AJ Manas, panoorin na lang natin ang pamamaraan. No? That was beautiful, impressive, and quick. Siyempre, nothing short of Labastida. That was his 7 point. 2 more for AJ Manas, and he's gonna be the winner of this match. Once again, another impressive break there coming from AJ Manas. The last crack was a break and run out, and there is a probability that we could expect another break and run out from him here. Hindi kasing dali nung kaninang kalat ng bola. But definitely, meron pa ring pagkakataon. So a little more of work to be done here by the young gun. Katulad niyan, no? You can see the 6 ball, the 8 ball, the 9 ball. They are all in a certain cluster, of which, yan na nga, no? For Mr. AJ Manas, he's gonna have to deal with that. The 6 doesn't pass the 9. It's gonna be a combination shot. And yun, at this point, that is what Mr. AJ Manas is starting to figure out. Of course, if he would like to get closer to the 6, he would have to have an angle here dito sa pink 4. So pag meron na siyang angulo dito, meron na siyang magagawang diskarte. By how he shot that, the problem has been addressed there, but another problem arises. So kita po natin, no, as he made the 6, the 8 moves and puts and places on the spot kung saan medyo kailangan pang trabahuin ni Mr. AJ Manas ang pagpapahanda sa 8. Okay. So not too severe of an angle on the 8, pero kailangan pa rin, no? Siguraduhin ang kanyang pahanda dito sa 9. Very nice. Probably he bumps the 10 just a bit. Ayan na nga. So with that, AJ Manas, an easy 10 ball. This is gonna be break and run out number 2 consecutively. Nice break there. Yun lang, no? Nice break, but slow rolling that cue ball proved to be that difficult. Nahagip niya yung 8. Ay, 8. Excuse me. Kalahati ng 8 is 3. Tama, di ba? 8 divided by 2 is 3. Pag hinati mo sa gitna, yung 8. Yung number 8 mismo. I'm kidding. Okay, sige na. Tito jokes. Kidding aside, guys, nahagip niya yung 3. And forgive me, syempre, once in a while, pagka ikaw ang kinakausap nyo po yung sarili nyo dito sa commentary booth, you come up with some silly jokes. But again, just trying to keep you company, keep you warm. Ayan, medyo critical na siya. Critical condition because he can't afford any more mistakes. How costly was that miss on the 7 or 8? That was like several racks ago na binagsakan niya, no? Na kumiwal. He was supposed to be up 5-3. Now he's trailing 8-5. Looks like this is gonna fall short. Bitin po ang tira sa 6, no? Medyo angulo to. But no problem for Resty. Very good. Same pocket position here for the 10. Medyo nabitin. Well, he brings out his Q extension here. Ito, no? Para sa kanyang 6th point. So, tingnan natin, ha? For this break shot, he has a good break. So, there's a possibility for Mr. Labastida to really catch up. But this time, he has come up dry. Balls are in the open para kay Mr. AJ Manas. Probably the only saving grace for Mr. Labastida is that Mr. AJ Manas might lose a bit of focus, but considering how good he is, okay, this is still very makeable for Mr. Manas. He's gonna play 1, 2, 3, 4 rails. Ito na, the 4th rail. Don't be on the 7. Don't be behind the 7. May tira pa naman, no? Pero from our camera angle, hindi masyado masabi. Kinailangan masihin pa ni Mr. AJ Manas yun, no? So, there was that will give him the real chance of winning the rack and winning the match. Nako, ayan na nga, no? Funny things seem to happen as we head on to the final 4 balls. Is starting to build up here. Ayan ang sinasabi ko. A lifeline has been provided here for Mr. Resty Labastida. He has the 8 to the side. At ito ang masasabi lang natin, 8-7 is not too bad. And definitely, the pressure will start to build up. But that would be obviously in favor of Labastida, who feels right now that napagbigyan ako ng isa pang pagkakataon. And supposedly, no, patalo na ako. Talo na, pero nabigyan pa. And you know how that feels para sa isang bilyarista, no? the amount of relief na nararamdaman mo dahil nabigyan ka. Ayan, napapaborang ka pa, no? A bit of fortune, a good bump there. Ayan, so Mr. Labastida Ten-ball Open Championship. Muli, no, ang prize money na ino-offer na ipamimigay natin sa ating champion, the eventual champion, which would be decided, that would be tomorrow, is an amount of 1 million pesos. Total prize pool of 2 million ang ipamimigay po ng tournament na ito. Ask any player who was a part of this event is pretty much thankful, especially para sa mga pro players na syempre ang trabaho talaga ng pro pool players is to showcase their skills, their talent, nag-iensayo, napapalaban. They do their best as professional pool players dito sa Pilipinas. Everybody knows gaano kahirap ang buhay para maging isang professional pool player. Kaya mataas din ang respeto natin sa kanila, no? We all want to have a good life while doing the things that we do best para sa mga pro players natin, magbilyar. And yun na nga, they're pretty much very thankful for an opportunity like this. Talaga naman ang talento ng mga Pilipino pagdating sa larangan ng bilyar is unquestionable world-class quality. Kung lahat ng Pinoy, no, siguro, in my opinion, of course, Pinoy tayo. Pag lahat ito dinala mo sa ibang bansa, malakas tayo, no? And I have to be proud about saying that. Matapang, mga mandirigma, and really consummate professionals. And it has come down to this for Mr. Resty Labastida and AJ Manas, something that everybody wanted to see, a kind of match kung back to the ball game. This is the last rack, the 17th rack. Wow. Look at that break for Mr. Resty Labastida. And with this, it's all about just holding his nerves. I think he wanted to leave himself maybe more of an angle here on the 2. Parang gusto niyang dagdagan sana yung angulo. Thereby, maybe he can slide that cue ball. Tatampalin niya ng bahagya, no? Palapit sa 3. Decided to cheat the pocket. Well, by my judgment, kung ako siguro, no, I would say he gets out the moment he lands easy on the 7 ball. So, pagka napahandaan niya ng madali ang brown 7, by that time, it's just gonna be a matter of making the remaining number of balls. He has options here. Pwedeng lagare, pwedeng patay bola, or pwedeng ayan na nga, no? I mean, muntik na rin ako. Kakapigil ng hininga doon. Here we go. By anybody's standards, this is a formality. Here we go. The 10 ball, easy for Mr. Labastida. Well, congratulations, Mr. Labastida, for putting up a really nice comeback. That was from 8-5 down